Stay frosty. I hear something.
Hey, Boo! You're not still mad about that backpack thing, are you?
Oh, no. I never hold a grudge. I just let him go.
What's that over there?
Aha! It's the signal.
Okay, Denny, let's round him up.
All right, ladies, let her rip.
Gas mask.
Got it.
My pants!
Good job, Riley. All right, time to run these guys back to town.
Are you ready for this?
This is awkward.
Yes. Yes, it is. Can I?
Go for it, smelly it.
Holy Stampy! It's a stamp!
Freako's here!
All right, show me your girl face.
Ready to take them
Now
out.
let's kick some hunter bahookie.
Here we go!
Bob, we've been robbed. And they took Mr. Weenie.
What are you doing?
How you doing, partner?
Boog, this is great. Let's do this every year.
No, please.
They never give up.
It's for you.
Gordy, I'm bringing them home.
Come on, man. They're just animals.
He's
Yeah, look at him run.
Send in Mr. Happy!
Who?
Go, go, go! Oh, Mr. Happy didn't go on.
Hey, whoa, we're just supposed to run him into town.
Well, it's time for them to start running, isn't it?
What the?